weird. Like a granny there by yard.
That's not safe up in money with grandma again.
So you're gonna do this.
To buy books back to school.
No man, Ashley. Don't worry about that man. You just carry that for your lunch money when school starts. I take care of everything else. That's it.
Alright.
Tell you when I want you to focus on more now with that. Now that you're going into grade 4, I want you to focus more on your book. You see it? Yeah, because paper come up and you have the paper. And ready. You understand? So try show more interest in your book. Yeah? Yeah. Everything alright?
Yo, hit me a that. What kind of movie man take him, man? Sell him as a view out to him.
Vicious! Vicious!
Then I wish for Vicious then.
You can't go on far and leave the bar room. You must stay there.
Yo, what I say? You can't trust nobody, you know. Can't trust no shadow after that. Where it is a deal? I'm like a silly man selling me out. Brother, man are dressed like he feds them. How am I move so?
Yeah, man, give him a shot, yeah?
Left out, that's a brother.
Yo, Bishop, where there?
Yo, hit me. Yo, where you depend, Batman?
What do you mean by it?
I hear the feds them see pull up, so I lift up charge it.
Yo, brother, you make it think look somehow you go forward for your drink, brother.
You sure, brother? Come in there in a fubble double thing, you know. Where you dealing?
Yeah, move, so. Brother, come in, man, I move, so. Forward the people them forward to support the thing, brother. And all that little reasoning. Stop moving like you're a babe, man.
Yo. Alright, me a found.
My bathroom is gone, man. I'm so forward, you see? Yeah, I'm saying give him a second.
Him look like him gonna need a bartender.
No, mais c'est que ce bâtiment reste style, non? Voilà. How over there say bathroom there?
Right. It look like theme bathroom now, right? What are you with that one, brother? Forward, man, as I drink it, people them come to having a brother. I'm embarrassed, I'm embarrassed.
Bad man, they don't tell us, so I not take check already, you know, charge it. When you see me in the streets, I cash me.
Brother, call off, I polish everything. I move like I want it, man. I want to pay, brother. In a bathroom, I have to tell the people them say I got and everything. Come in.
Big up on yourself, you know.
It's a business you run or what?
Nah, man, I just bathroom me go use, you know.
Make sure you wash your hand after you done cast out the man.
I talk about brother, I don't know that already.
Forward, but out for come support your bar still, so do what you do now. So you can come serve it.
Yeah, man, I want go, man.
Brother, that's how you pipe there.
But man, I ask man to fight there, man.
Oh.
Alright, so this is a wagon, or some people call it chariot.
Okay.
It will be one of the main modes of transportation for the wealthy people back in the plantation period. They colonized when white people decolonized, right? So the rich people would travel in this now. This was pulled by 2 horses. So the passengers would be in the seat, the driver would sit here. You know, baggage and stuff would go to the back.
Like in them Western show them.
Like in a Western show.
Okay, what is this?
Alright, this one, I'm gonna see if you could have figured this out. Looking at the design, something that we're trying to replicate today. Well, look, wait, come to mind.
It look like a casket.
Close enough.
Hearse.
Okay.
So this would be the hearse. This is what carries the casket.
Oh.
And this carry everybody, whether you're rich or you're poor. Once you die, this going to carry it. So let me show you from the back where the coffin was placed. So put the coffin in from here, so.
Okay.
Right? They still use something similar to this in the present day hearse, where they roll the coffin in and pull it out. And this too, like that, was pulled by 1 horse. All of these things were horse drawn.
Okay. I'm looking at this one right now.
Mm-hmm.
Explain.
Alright, so this is a fire truck.
Fire truck.
This is a fire truck.
Yeah, this was a fire truck.
Wow.
This one didn't carry the water. This was the pump. So when they reached through the fire, look at this. All the hose and the fittings were carried inside this section. That back piece you're looking at is the pump. The 2, excuse your head here, I don't want to hit you. So these 2 will be the pistons